Okay, so today's video is going to primarily be about color grading and, well, me trying to color grade for the first time on C-Log. So this is actually the first time I've been able to put this camera in C-Log, because I've noticed C-Log needs a lot of light. Well, basically perfect lighting conditions, and I haven't been able to do that until now because, well, okay, let me start from the beginning. So we just came back from a 2-week vacation. We spent about 3 days in New York and 4 days in New Jersey because of a work trip, because basically the whole thing started as a work trip for my wife and I. Well, basically my wife, if you don't know, my wife is a pharmacist, so she basically had to take a class that lasted about 4 days. So what we decided to do was go 3 days ahead. My wife has a really great friend in New York that allowed us to stay in her apartment. So we had to actually go to New York for 3 days and just pay for plane tickets and obviously food. So that was really awesome. Her name is Bianca. She's super, super awesome. They've known each other since high school. But yeah, well, while I was in New York, if you know anything about New York and photography and videography, there's a very particular store. So what I decided to do was I went to B&H while I was in New York, and I picked up an ND filter, something that I have actually been needing for a very long time, so I can shoot in C-Log. So right now I'm outside. If you can tell, I've been trying to clean up out here. So I have the ND filter on. I have actually picked up the B&W with a hard stop. It's the 2-5 with the hard stops. Similar to Polar Pro. Now, I did want the Polar Pro, but it's still not out yet in B&H. So yeah, I'm just trying to talk to waste time. So how does this look, guys? This is my first attempt on trying to color grade. I think what I'm gonna do is to show you what C-Logs looks like before I put my color grade on there. And I want to do more of this inside the house, outside the house. Now I know inside the house, I'm definitely gonna need some type of lighting system. So I am debating on picking up the 120D, the Aperture 120D or something like that too. But it's very expensive. So I'm gonna be looking at lighting next so I can primarily shoot on C-Log. So what does it look like? Does it need work? I'm hoping that I've exposed it properly, so I've taken a lot of work off of myself and not have to go back and try to properly expose inside. Now I'm not shooting at 90 degrees away from the sun. It's basically hitting me right in the face, so it's gonna probably be a little harsh. The perks of being outside is a bunch of road noise, but yeah. What do you think, guys? Tell me in the comment section, what do I need to work on? And that's kind of why I wanted to make this quick little video, just to show you what I'm working with when it comes to color grading. What do I need to work on? Can you notice anything? But yeah, just leave it down in the comment section and I'll read it. And I'm going to be shooting on C-Log, and when I'm shooting on Sony, I'm obviously shooting on HLG2. I definitely can say HLG2 is really easy to color grade on, because you can play around with low light a little bit better than C-Log. So it might be something that I use primarily in the inside, like Sony, when I don't have really good lighting. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow or whenever.